Hey friends, this is Atif Val and welcome to the new update on Moonriver. As in my so many previous videos, I've been showing you a very big falling wedge pattern that Moonriver formed on a 7 days time frame chart. And I was telling you that once Moonriver will be able to break out this wedge, this was the wedge by the way, and I was telling you that once it will be able to break it out, then we can expect a move up till here, up to the top of the wedge. That was a technical target for this breakout. That was between $23 to $25, and you can see that the price line has rallied beyond that target, and this was almost 1408%, very, very massive pump. And recently, after this rejection by this long-term resistance of $45, that was in fact was working as a very, very strong support here back in the month of March 2022, and now it is flipped into a resistance. You can see it drop down, and on a daily time frame chart, it formed this quite long down channel. And after the breakdown from this channel, you can see that the previous support of the channel was flipped into a resistance for the price line, and we also found this support, an uptrend line support, and this was the formation of another symmetrical triangle. And now recently we have broken down this symmetrical triangle as well. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I will also share the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of May 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for KP3R, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading view chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, for example, in this case, I shared this signal on 17th of May 2024, and you can also watch the complete trade setup as well, like this was the buying zone, starting from $73.24 and goes to $66.61. And this was the sell target zone, starting from $82.53 and goes to $92.33. And this was the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this play button like I'm doing here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. And this was a very, very nice pump, by the way. Now, let me take you to the live chart of Moonriver. And here on this daily time frame chart, you can see that for the past several days, it was moving inside this down channel. And here in the month of April, on 10th of April, in fact, here on 12th of April, we broke down the support. Despite this was the bullish bias pattern, but the price then broke down the support. And the target for this breakdown from this channel was, by the way, here. That was approximately at $12.60. And you can see that the price then dropped more than that. And it also tested this long-term support of $10 as well. And here we found this uptrend line support. And this was the formation of another symmetrical triangle. The previous support of the channel was working as a resistance for this triangle. And here we had the downtrend line resistance and an uptrend line support. And now we have broken down this triangle as well. Now, if we take a look at the target for this breakdown, then technical target for this breakdown is, by the way, here, slightly lower than this support of $10, approximately at $8.60. And you can see that so far the price end has almost reached at this support of $10. Therefore, soon it can also hit that target as well. But before that, Moonriver will need to break down this very, very long-term support of $10. This is a very long-term support. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this $10, this level, has been previously working as a very, very strong resistance here, and for several weeks a month, it has been working as a support here as well. And here, after this huge drop, you can see again it worked as a very nice support. And again, it is working as a very, very nice support. Therefore, it will be difficult for the price line to break down this support, especially when stochastic has again entered the oversold zone as well. And therefore, in my point of view, there will be a probability for some price correction from here. However, if the price line breaks down the support of $10, then it can drop down to the next support, a very major support of $8. That was previously working at a resistance here, support here, and yeah, last time it was working as a support here for several weeks. And now again, it can work as a support. Now, if we take a look at the next resistance level, then in my opinion, this downtrend line resistance of this channel, first we will need to break out this previous support of the channel that can now break other resistance and this downtrend line resistance of the channel. Once the price line will be able to break out these two major resistance levels, then on the weekly time frame chart, there will be a very high probability that soon we may see another move to this long-term resistance of 25, not 25, at $45. That is a very strong and key resistance. And previously it had been working as a support here after this huge drop. Therefore, now after the breakdown, it is flipped into a resistance. And after this huge rally, the price line was rejected. And therefore, if the price line breaks out these two resistance levels, then soon it can reach this resistance of $45. And if Moonriver will be able to break out this resistance of $45, then we may see a quite imminent move up to the next resistance of $70 that was previously breaking as support here. And in case of breaking out this resistance, it can reach to this very, very strong resistance of $100 as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.